Are you looking to kickstart your journey to a healthier you? Well, look no further than the power of detox drinks, packed with antioxidants and bursting with flavor. These elixirs can help you transform your health inside and out. First up, we have the classic lemon water. Simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. Not only does it aid digestion and boost metabolism, but it also alkalizes the body, setting the perfect tone for your day. Indulge in the ancient wisdom of green tea. Steep those green tea leaves or a tea bag in hot water and watch as it transforms into a powerhouse of antioxidants known as catechins. Say goodbye to toxins and hello to improved liver function and a kickstart to your weight loss journey. For a refreshing twist, try our cucumber mint detox water. Simply add sliced cucumber and fresh mint leaves to a pitcher of water and let it infuse overnight. Hydrating cucumber and digestion-boosting mint combine forces to create a spa-like experience for your taste buds. Feeling adventurous? Brew up some ginger turmeric tea. Boil water with grated ginger and turmeric powder, then simmer to perfection. With its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, this potent elixir will detoxify your body and soothe inflammation from within. Last but certainly not least, embrace the tangy goodness of apple cider vinegar detox drink. Mix 1 tablespoon of raw and filtered apple cider vinegar with water and a touch of honey. Balance your pH levels, aid digestion and support liver detoxification with every sip. So there you have it, folks. 5 delicious drinks to detoxify your body and revitalize your health. Well, here's to a brighter and fit you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel Trends 9. And of course, until then, we'll see you next time. Stay healthy, stay fit.